matter if I'm in my professional life cooking or at home cooking, a key ingredient to all cooking is a good set of knives. Now, the set of knives that I use daily is from Kai, and you can order those from cookio.com. But I'm going to show you some of the key things that I think you need in a knife set. You need a utility knife. Now, this one is for peeling, paring, chopping small items. This is a go-to knife that everyone needs in their kitchen. The next I have is a 6-inch chef's knife. Now, this comes in longer sizes, but I'm 5'2", I'm short, I like the way this one handles. And then a Santoku, which is a blade that's curved at the bottom. It's great for vegetables, chopping herbs. I use this a lot, you'll see in my videos. And it's also a full tang knife, which means it's riveted, and the blade goes all the way through, which gives you nice strength. Cheap knives often will not do that, and your blades get loose. You don't want that. That is not safe. Another one is a boning knife. You'll see me using this on all types of meats, not only just to remove a bone, but to carve around the bone. And then a slicer is always good to have for briskets, hams, turkeys. I even slice meatloaf with this. And if you're noticing these Kai Pro knives, they have little beveling here. This helps your vegetables or whatever you're cutting, cheese, whatever, not stick to the knife so you can continue cutting. A couple other items you always want to have is a good sharpener for these knives. This is also available at cookio.com. You want thermometers. You can either get a wireless one that connects to your phone or a digital Insta-read that you just insert and it tells you the temperature. And one last thing that I love in the kitchen is a good set of kitchen shears. Whether you're cutting through chicken bones, snipping herbs, whatever, opening packages, I think this is a great addition to your set of your daily kitchen knives in a professional kitchen or at home.